My name is Guillermo Rojas. I am the Chief of Data Processing for the DHS Program. Originally, the first survey that we did in Salvador. That was back in 1984, 85, I believe. And we were using at the time a package called Survey. But we immediately realized that that package was not appropriate for the type of surveys that we have. So we started developing our own software, and we developed something that it was called ISA. It was an interactive system for survey analysis, and that we used to the end of the century when those operating systems become obsolete. And at that point, we joined efforts with the Census Bureau, and we developed CSPRO. And CSPRO stands for Census and Survey Processing. That's the current software that we are using to process our DHS surveys. We have also been transitioning from paper questionnaires into computer. All the way up to the end of the century, we were using essentially paper questionnaires to collect and process all our surveys. And by the turn of the century, we started developing CAPI, which is the computer-assisted personal interview. And that's pretty much the system that we are currently using. We are collecting information using this methodology, this CAPI methodology. We also have another methodology which is called CAFE, and that stands for computer-assisted field editing. We collect data with paper questionnaires, but we enter the data in the field. By doing that, we are providing feedback to the teams almost in real time, almost as the survey is completed. Maybe just a little bit of history. The first time that we start processing DHS surveys, we use cards. We use the IBM cards. I don't know if you probably nobody nowadays is familiar with those punch cards. So that's what we used to do to process the surveys. But then we move into the microcomputers, and that's when we developed ISA. But I remember that the sample sizes of some of these surveys were in the neighborhood of 3,000 to 4,000 households, 3,000 to 4,000 women. And at that time, we run one process that is called an imputation, and that process used to take like 6-7 hours to run in the computers that were available at the time. And this is with a sample size of 3,000, 4,000 individuals. Now that process takes around 2 minutes for a 40,000, 50,000 individuals. So that's how much has changed over time, and how much we have been able to accomplish it, not only because of DHS, but also because of the developments in technology. Yeah.